level. Oh, sorry. Ready? Okay, now lower it down a little bit. There you go, now go. You got it, you got it.
Awesome. Good job, buddy.
Okay, get this one. Lower it down. No, lower it. Now go. Good.
Oh, awesome.
Good job, man.
Look at you. What's next? You got to take all those little boards off?
Yeah.
I think we have to bring down all of this.
I know.
And we have to find some good wood.
Okay, let's see. Oh, you're making me so proud. Safety first. The safety goggles got to stay on your face. They got to stay over your eyes.
Here, Dad.
You got a big piece.
Dad.
Just put it right here by the corner. Bring him out. Keep going, buddy.
Awesome.
I heard you say awesome.
It is awesome.